Merry Christmas to everyone and best wishes. Christmas is a special time of the year when people all around the world feel joy, peace, and hope in their hearts. Families come together to share food, stories, and warm moments that create beautiful memories. Many people decorate their homes with lights, trees, and colors that make the days feel brighter. Christmas is also a time to think about kindness, love, and helping others in simple ways. People give gifts, but the most important gift is spending time with the people we love. This season reminds us to slow down and enjoy the small and meaningful things in life. For many people, Christmas has a deep meaning that goes beyond celebrations and presents. It is a time to reflect on gratitude and appreciate what we have today. People remember the importance of forgiveness, patience, and understanding with others. Many communities come together to help those in need by sharing food, clothes, and support. This shows that Christmas is about giving from the heart, not about money. These values help make the world a better and kinder place. As the year comes to an end, people also think about the months that have passed and the lessons they learned. The end of the year is a moment to look back at challenges and successes with honesty and hope. Many people set new goals and dreams for the coming year. This time helps us understand what we want to improve and what we want to keep in our lives. It is also a good moment to say thank you to the people who helped us during the year. Ending the year with positive thoughts gives us strength for a new beginning. Merry Christmas to everyone, and best wishes for the end of the year and the new year ahead. May this season bring peace, health, and happiness to you and your family. May your days be filled with calm moments and your nights with hope and rest. We hope the new year brings new opportunities and simple joys. Remember to keep kindness in your heart every day, not only during the holidays. Let us welcome the future with gratitude, faith, and positive thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.